So today we are going to see the review of AAA safe ladder. It's a 6-step, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it's total 6-step ladder. I ordered it from Amazon and it comes in this visible packing. So let's first of all open this. So it's quite big, 6 feet tall, and you can put it the ladder by using this sideways, and this is the step. So the quality of this step is okay. So as you can see, it is not properly placeable. Okay, so now you just need to be sure that if it is not properly fixed, you have to move this crank like this way and you have to fix this. And the quality of this, as you can see, it's bending, so I'm not sure how much weight it can support. And you can see that when I open it new, but I got scratches. I'm not sure whether it is used, but it has some scratches on the frame. So this is, and I will show you by climbing it. सही है क्या? So I can touch this 12 feet wall. So it's quite big and it's stable. You can work it alone, I think. So now to disassemble, like to unengage this, what you need to do, from here you need to move this like this, and then from top you need to move in this way. In this way you can close this ladder and you can keep it anywhere. And its weight is quite low, so you can keep it, you can hold it from one hand, that's all.